Hello, and it's Donna from Thread Treasures. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you, like, if you're creating your own color chart and you make a mistake or something in there, Etsy or excuse me, Embird may throw some kind of error up there. So I just wanted to kind of show you what it would look like. If I go to do a color chart and pick a color from the catalog, I haven't even got to pick where what catalog yet, and I'm seeing this error message. And click OK. Oh, it says there's another one and another one. So if you look right here, it will actually tell you which one it is. So for this particular one, it's color 1003. It says Donna Marathon Rayon dash medium yellow, and then it's got the red, green, blue code. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So if you go, let's see. I mean, here's the top. Oops, I'm sorry. Pull my mind back up. So if you go, those colors probably won't show up. So give me a second. We're going to have to exit out because it does save it when you, or it reads it in when you start up Embird. So actually, we're going to edit the color chart again. I'm where my charts are stored. And if you look here, it's missing a comma between what the thread chart name is and what I use as my color that is actually the manufacturer and my color. So I'm going to add these in real quick. Oops, I'm put period. Oops. So I've got these now set as commas. I'm going to save the file and I'm going to exit. And let's start Embird again. So we're going to go ahead and go into the digitizer again. Just do my real quick, and I go to do my color chart, and notice I don't get an error. So putting that comma in there resolved the issue. Now if you make a lot of mistakes in there, just make sure that you make a note of which ones, because it will tell you exactly which ones that it is that it's having a problem with, and then you can search for them and find them in your list and then get it all fixed out. So just wanted to get that one out there just in case you're trying to make your own color chart and you do, make some kind of mistake by leaving out a comma or something like that. It would probably do it if you had a period there as well. So hope you found this helpful. Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.